So this is my first ride on the CSC motorcycles TT250. This bike arrived literally just today. I got it licensed up or plated or however you call it. Now I'm gonna give it a little test. I like the little fairings on the tank. Your knees fit right up into them. It's quite comfy. Oh, yep. Let's see here. Get my visor up so I can breathe. There we go. If you're wondering about the mirrors, those are not the mirrors for this bike. They're off my old 71 Honda because CSC Motorcycles forgot to ship my rear mirrors with the bike. Unless they're hiding like under the seat, I don't know. That's a magic trick that I am unaware of. Oh, here's a good bump. Oh, yeah. It's a nice bump. How is it? Oh Lord, I can't go this way. Okay. That is unfortunate. Yeah, I'm not gonna do a lake crossing right now, I don't think. Let's see, can I stand up? Standing up's a little weird. Like, maybe if I'm like this on my toes. It's not bad. It does feel a little strange. One thing I notice is the throttle is very easy to turn. I don't know if that can be adjusted or not, but it's very easy to like accidentally give it too much. And I almost kind of wish there was a little bit of resistance there to that. Especially when you're standing up like this, it feels a little strange. I don't know if I'm ready to do a river crossing yet. I could probably go in the grass. Should I? I mean, it is a dual sport, right? Can I just go in the grass? Maybe? Let's try it. I mean, what's the point of having a dual sport if I don't dual sport it? Oh yeah, no problem. So far the suspension feels pretty good. But that's just, in comparison to what I'm used to, which is a super old bike and a little 80cc scooter. So, I mean, anything's a great upgrade for me. Alright, I almost got it. Try it again. Here we go. Ready? Oh yeah, there we go. Still getting used to this clutch. It's not bad, it's just much different than what I'm used to. That's for sure. I'm used to clutches that aren't smooth and don't work very well. This one seems to work very well, so I need to just trust that it works and just go. The seat seems pretty comfy so far. I can't really complain about that. And surprisingly, I mean, I don't feel too cramped. I mean, I'm 6'5", so I expect everything just as default to feel small for me. Nothing is made for tall people. That's just the way it is. You get used to that and accept the fact that nothing's made for your size. and you're always gonna hit your head on everything. Hopefully not the motorcycle, but who knows. So I'm gonna start here now. I'm at an angle uphill, and then it gets even steeper. So we'll just see how it does here. I'm just gonna try to crawl up this hill. Yeah, it's not even trying, and this is fairly steep. Yeah, that's really pretty good. That's what I was hoping for. I mean, I didn't expect too much, what I was hoping for that kind of a result. This part of the road is always really rough. I'll hit some of this. Oh wow. This like super washboard stuff is like, it's like it's not even there. Oh, I felt that a little bit of that rougher part, but it just kind of vibrates a little bit. But like I've literally had my exhaust come off of my scooter over that kind of stuff, so that's pretty nice. Oh dear. There's like, hello? Too busy eating, don't care about you. Fair enough.